Yento azo mfa ye ni entremu ewe poye mantam ni mu ana Akwamu ena yedre won e de akwasida kese afahye na fimpinu ni aduonunum de ehye so na watwetwe mu no afidie na semti ana da so ene establishing the building blocks for United Akwamu na odene ho kwafo akoto a wotoso miensa Akwamu hene ene manfo kasa no de ato wanim se wobetumi akọ wanim afantoma pa frasania eda obia komaso no a ehu behia se wo nyina beye baako enkabom ene bedru sam pempense wono
ene idwaboy adai afi the year 2025 Akwamu fibra ya ba ha sabi ye coin asene etimi atena ha memri bia mu ye ne ye neighbors ewo ntokwa ewo yensa asesam ye boundaries ho this year May exactly 50 years Abai issued the white paper on the Akpalu Commission, a government boundary settlement a year between the Akwamus, the Dofos, and the Volos. Our Mayan boundaries. Our kind white paper now, the headlines in the daily graphic in that year, it was 4 towns were refused to join the voter region. Yes, say, petitioner, Yenuanom the Fofo, and the Volofo de Koma are buying. It's a one kasa, and the one amane, the one yementi, or per se, what you want to voter region home. Na one person will be Akwamu home. Abai Seti Commission Justice Akpalu, and I am the chairman of the commission. At the year 1974, when a commission report by the year 1975, May 1975, in a Abai issue white paper. It's a Finte, Frankadua, Novikope, Hovikope, and the environs. They are all part of the Akwamu state. If say en saseno wotowo sabe Akwamu hine ho en wotena so won amane ne won bibia ye won amane anso won wura eye asase wura de Akwamu hine sramo govern white paper govern white paper empe kunsun yempe ayibia ye ne won nyina te wo se anuanom miakata America Yenyina eniba baako ya ware ho ya wowo afra iti yesre government white people na da ho no yendi so enami kan court sem bebre gugu court awo kan bibiara yenuanom enti ase enti mesre ami gyina no nso so se yenuanom nkai aye ne won bɔhye no anum krobofo aye no won bɔhye enyina ye established boundaries de da a efitete Akwamu hene yesramo ye besre enyina ye entrance se anuanom ani adofonom na yemfa asasi enko babia na mo eye fe se obi anim se minua di ni hia bibia me kosre no na ode amame ma didi so na mo nyese me de patapa ebefa besre ni entrance asonwe mu na Akwamu enko na nim